Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Mercedes-Benz 180D W120 from Schuco. The car looks really beautiful in this dual tone paint job. The headlights and the grille look really nice, and the Mercedes logo is molded in with the grille and it feels solid. The wheels look really nice and the Mercedes logo on the wheel cap is really well detailed. There's the indicator on the front fender as well. The tail lamps look nice and all the logos here are decals. The boot lock is again a decal. And this is the left side of the car. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is well detailed and you can see some of the gauges on the instrument cluster. The steering wheel and the door cards also look really nice. The seats have enough detailing on them and they look neat. And this is how the seats look like from the back. And this is the passenger side of the car. The wipers are painted on the windshield and I'm going to unscrew the car now. So here's the car out of its base and it looks really nice. The undercarriage does not have enough detailing on it but still looks good. Both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.